Well, my name is Wachong. I'm the CEO of Hospital Clínica Unive in San Jose, Costa Rica. We're part of PROMET, and we're part of the whole effort of Costa Rica to promote medical services of Costa Rica for international patients. Okay, this is our 4th year of coming to this fair. Not only our hospital, but coming to PROMET. And this year, I noticed much advance and much better things than the other years, especially because the people who come in this year are representing companies or represent group of companies or group of business like schools or universities looking for medical service outside the U.S., which is, as we speak early, the other conference coming people who try to understand what is the business and how they can sell to patients in U.S. This time if I can tell this way, patients coming directly to the conference to look what the market offers for them and go straight to the source, straight to the hospitals and asking directly, which is something great for me as CEO of a hospital, but it's great for me as representing Costa Rica, which is a great market for this kind of business. Well, representing for schools, universities, companies, different sizes of companies, represent insurance companies, represent expatriate patients, because Costa Rica got a bunch of international companies already in the country. So they already knew Costa Rica as a business place, and they knew we already treat Americans live in Costa Rica. But they think, okay, listen, we manage another kind of groups, like like church groups, like business companies groups, and we want the same kind of treatment we already receive for other customers to this new group of customers, and open mind for not only expatriates but people who work in U.S., need insurance in U.S., need medical treatment in U.S., but they can pay it, but they can access to another markets like Costa Rica or in Asia or India and obtain exactly the same kind of services at a very affordable price, which is, for us, as I told you at the beginning, this is the best of the best in this conference. Well, not important, but nice meal, service, attention, drinks, and the important part, I like a lot the organization, the open of the organization to allow us to talk to people, and the technological tools you can give us in order we can even talk to the people before coming here, and which is great, because you don't have to come in here and see what's going on. You already know what's going on, which is allow you to make business before the conference coming. Well, let me tell you, I directly or through another associates, we already have like 4 or 5 meetings with very key persons that in other circumstances you just find them by casualty. Now, not. We just talked to a guy who represents like 30,000 employees for different universities, and we met before the conference because we noticed we got common interest in, and here is a personal meeting, but the conference allows us to meet each other before the conference and try to find some arrangement in person here. And this is something like, again, I like a lot. The booth keep me very, very busy, but because we're several guys, we send some of the conference through Massimo, which is PROMET CEO, or through my assistants, and they come in with very good ideas about some improved areas in operation of the hospitals, as well how can we manage better the international patients. And this is all kind of subjects treated in the conference here, which is very professional. The speakers are very professional. They really know what they're talking about, and they give us very specific lessons of reality of the business that we really appreciate.